Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can record yourself with your webcam and showing your PowerPoint with picture and pictures format. Let's begin. And you choose auto configurations, optimize for recording, use display in here 1920 times 1080 with the frame 30 frames per second, and click next and click apply setting. And in here, first the scene one, you want to add a webcam. Click the source and video capture device. I will put a name called webcam, and you can see myself in here. Click OK. You can drag yourself to the full screen. Of course, in my webcam is in different ratio, so that's better looking. Okay, that's the first scene. Second scene, we're gonna create a second scene. In the second scene here, just do second scene, and also you want to add your webcam there. Since we created, we just use the existing one. Webcam. Okay, you leave yourself in corner, and I'm gonna here show you how you can do that, achieve that even if you have only one screen, and most of the people will have only one screen with the laptop or computer. And I have my PowerPoint showing here. Okay, and I'm gonna minimize here. Bring up the PowerPoint. I can even drag the OBS to the minimum state. Okay, you can see. And now in scene 2, the source, you add a second source in scenes 2. Add in here. You add a Windows capture. What it does mean is capture a particular program. So it captured the PowerPoint software. Okay, Windows here, Windows capture, yep. Capture PowerPoint, you can choose OBS, Window Explorer, document picture, so I here PowerPoint. Click OK. So you can see in the screen that the PowerPoint is here. So we drag to the, of course we're gonna drag to the to cover the thing that we don't want. We only want the black screen, right? Yeah. So is it all good? I think it's all good in here now. Yep. Since the screen is in the top layer, we want to drag the webcam on the top layer so you can see yourself. And in here you can move, decide whatever size you want, smaller, bigger. It's all up to you. And once you all set, you can actually toggle between the scenes 2 and scenes 1. Scene 2. Excuse me for the spelling. Okay, scene 1, scene 2. So that's very convenient tool to show when you're talking, you don't want to see the PowerPoint, just click this scene. And once they want to show them the audio in the PowerPoint, you click here, you have this. And once you want to change the PowerPoint, you click here and click next. See, just go down, 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 down. And one of the downsides is here you can't actually have all your automate. I don't think you can have your automation within PowerPoint showing in here. You will show a data view. If you know what I'm talking about, if you can't have the first line flying in here, so that's the downside of it. So once you're ready, you can just click start recording, like I'm doing here. Start recording. Okay, now I'm just doing a testing of recording of myself here, toggle between scene 1 and scene 2. Okay, now stop recording. Once stop recording, you can have your file up here, show recording. You'll come up to here with your recording date and time. And you can see this all being recorded. Okay, so that is the time that you have you use it for. You only have one screen. If you have two screens, that's even better. So I'm going to show you with two screens. So now we bring up the both screen in here. So if you have two screens, I don't think I will use window capture because they will just capture and different stuff. I would say I will prefer use a second display capture. What I mean is the capture my 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 other display instead of just a window. It will have a better resolution. So in here in scene 2 you can add a display capture. Okay. Ask them to capture my second display. Yep, second display capture and put down below the webcam. In this setting you will have you keep all your animation of the PowerPoint. You can have things flying in and out, and you can have better resolution. Okay, but same here. If you have second display, same as click this recording, and make sure the volume is here set OK. Set OK, and way to go. Okay, hope this helped you to understand how you use that. And let me know if you have any questions. And okay, see you later.